Go into Performance Tools, Time Tracking, and under the Actions button, you'll click and select Allocations. Allocations start off with you entering the payroll period for which you're adding those hours for all of your active apprentices. Here you can see whatever hours you entered will display here, and it'll show you here in this magenta color how much you've actually allocated of the 40 hours that we entered. Where did Brian spend those 40 hours learning? That question is answered by allocating time to either classroom time and or on-the-job training time. What you're going to see first is something very unique to us, which is an allocation slider. This slider defaults where it's at 7.5%, and the 7.5% allocates 3 of the 40 hours to courses and 37 hours to competencies. The next step is an allocation method. We have 2 options here, even split and proportional. The even split allocation method means that we're going to take the 3 hours and divide it evenly into the number of courses that are listed in your apprenticeship program. Then we're going to take the 37 hours and divide that evenly into the number of competencies that you have listed. If you want to select the proportional allocation method, and you see there it says proportional by required hours, what that means is that it is a percentage basis based on how much each course and competency's total hours required represents of the total apprenticeship itself. This is useful when you want to evenly distribute the total number of hours that someone worked across all of the different courses or competencies so that you're not overfilling one versus another. Once you hit apply split, it'll apply all those hours, and then you can from there either submit that if it's accurate, or you can make modifications.